In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a logo on Canva for Shopify. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clean, professional logo ready to upload to your Shopify store, even if you've never designed anything before. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, it's free to sign up, and you only need a basic account for what we're doing today. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. Click inside that search bar and type the word logos. Canva will automatically suggest logo templates, and when you hit enter, you'll see a whole library of ready-made logo designs. Take a moment to scroll through the templates. You'll see different styles for various industries: minimalist, bold, playful, luxury, and more. Pick a template that best matches the vibe you want for your Shopify store. When you find one you like, click directly on that template to open it. On the next screen, you'll see a preview with a button that says, "Customize this template." Click that button. This will open the logo in Canva's editor, where you can change everything to fit your brand. Now, click on the logo itself. You can select the text to change the wording to your store name and tagline. At the top, you'll see options to change the font style, size, and alignment. Try a few fonts until you find one that feels right for your brand, but keep it readable, especially at smaller sizes. Next, adjust the colors. With any element selected, use the color picker at the top to match your brand colors. For a Shopify logo, it's a good idea to stick to 2 or 3 colors maximum, so it looks clean on your website. You can also click on the background area to change the background color or remove it if you prefer a transparent look later. On the left-hand side, hover over the different options like elements and text. Elements lets you add icons, shapes, or symbols related to your niche, while text allows you to add extra wording if needed. Keep things simple and balanced. Avoid cluttering your logo. Once you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right corner and click on Share. From the menu that appears, choose Download. Select your preferred file type, typically PNG for web use. Then click Download again to save the file to your computer. Your logo is now ready to upload to your Shopify store.